Josh Paz, Poetry Emotion. Living it, it's anxiety. I'm a soldier, I've been through hell. Just let my story tell. You don't know how hard this is. You won't come close. You don't want any parts of this pain, this game. I've had my share. Now they think and say that I'm impaired. I say I don't care. I've lived through every nightmare and I'm not scared. I still have my pride, but you don't see a good guy. What the fuck, dog? Just tell me why. You don't know how many times I tried to commit suicide. How many times I lied while trying to hide the demons away inside. They attack with no slack. Every time I turn my back, it's a no quit. This isn't it. Now welcome to my sanctuary, the one that you see that's oh so scary. Let me share my story. Maybe then you'll see that there's more to me. I give my all just for you to deny me the try to show that I got that. Never let up, keep my head up and get up and go. I don't try to fix you, point my finger saying you got some issues. Shit, it's true. I don't know your past, I don't need to ask. I believe in the act and I believe in the fact. You judge my journey that you never did trudge. You hold a grudge, then you push and shove. Call me a thug, he's on drugs, he doesn't deserve any love. Why won't y'all stop messing with me? What are you really fucking expecting of me? It's an onslaught of non-stop pressing me, constantly testing me, but I'm still here, so clear and shit best to me. No friends are you sending me, I can't find a high or a remedy, one that'll erase all the faces and the memories. After 33 years in a river flow with tears, I'm still here and nothing changed. I still go to sleep awake in defeat to repeat this game. When will I get some slack? Find a release to the beast called anxiety attacks. Giving everything, nothing's left in me. I'm reaching out, but I can't have what's not there to grasp. I scream out for help, but you think it's an act. How many times do I have to fucking ask? Take away my visions, they haunt me and never stay hidden. Take away the memories of my friends' lives being taken from me. Take the blood from my hands every time I look at them. I remember the shit that did happen. Take away the noise, take away the boom. Take away the demons up out of this room. Take them away before I attempt to do the only thing I know left to do, and that's remove myself from this gloom. Why can't I just be normal like everybody else? Why was I birthed to an earth where pain is all I felt? Why can't I find a home? I'm out of my zone, just leave me alone. Why am I staring at my phone? No one cares, no one's there. Fuck it, I don't trust shit, it is what it is. Don't judge me unless you live this shit. I got nothing to lose, just walk in my shoes. The one thing I choose is to remain upright and true. I'm never rattled, I was born sworn to battle. So you can love me or hate me, but you can never fucking break me or face me. Each day that I wake up is a victory. You look at me and it's just a mystery. If you see me, believe me, I'm choosing to show that I want more. I open the door, I'm ready for war, but I'm tired. I don't wanna fight anymore. I don't wanna feel so empty. What's to keep all the value that's went for me? I don't need a wife, I don't give a fuck for life. I just wish to be free tonight and wake tomorrow with sight. I'm tired of the fight, so love me or hate me. Just love me or hate me.